Hey friends, good morning and welcome to our job channel Gulf Jobs Station where we announce fresh, authenticated and recent job openings uh, for the Middle East uh, Gulf region, Saudi Arab, UAE, Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, Kuwait, and this time we have jobs for Qatar country. So stay tuned, watch the video carefully, and please pay attention to the details which we are providing here. Jobs are for Qatar. Let me take you through the requirements. The company name is Stiag Energy Services India Private Limited. आपके सामने स्क्रीन पे नाम दिख रहा है कंपनी का, you can read it. Stiag Energy Services India Private Limited. वेबसाइट भी है यहाँ पे. We have given the link http and www.steag.in. So just click the website to get the more information. Website itself has all the details of the company. So if you are interested to know about the country, please type the link on the browser and you will get to know all the relevant information which you need for the company. And now let's move to the requirements. So here we go. These are the requirements. I'm reading the post from the company directly which they have mentioned on the portal. Inviting applications for waste to energy project in Qatar. Candidates should have 7 to 15 years of similar experience in waste to energy power plant. Vacancies are available, and this is the list of the vacancy which I'm going to read for you. Biological plant manager, incineration plant manager, and then we have construction and demolition plant manager, residue manager, ash verification manager, waste treatment manager, transfer station manager, starting and recycling manager, head maintenance planning, maintenance mechanical of power plant, maintenance CNI, maintenance electrical, maintenance civil. So all these requirements are mentioned. They need 7 to 15 years of similar experience in the waste to energy power plant, and you know the requirements. I just read it for you. You can also read it, it's on the screen. It's very clearly mentioned all the requirements. And for more details to know about the country, you can type the company website. It will tell you each and everything about the company. Interested candidates whose profile is matching, experience is matching, and interested to apply, here is the information to share the CV. n.ganjoo@steag.in. So n.ganjoo@stiag.in, which is mentioned clearly on the screen. So you don't have to get any other information. Just type this email ID, attach your CV, and send it straight. It will reach to the company HR, and if you have relevant information in your CV biodata, they will contact you. Kindly mention position applying for in subject line. Candidate with good communication skill will be preferred. This is the information which they have mentioned with the post. Hope you like the video. For more jobs updates, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also, please do press the bell icon to get the notification of new videos which we upload regularly. Reason why I'm saying to press the bell icon, you might get the video post later or delayed, and as you know, these requirements are these videos are basically for the recent jobs. If you read or watch the videos, after a week or two, these requirements will already be filled. And if you are really interested to apply for the jobs, to get the jobs via this channel or videos, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the immediate notification for the jobs. And this is our disclaimer, so please read it carefully. Do not trust on the third party or consultants or mediators. We have no direct contact with the mediators and consultants or companies and candidates. Even we don't directly communicate. We take the requirements from the company websites and job portals, authenticated job portals, and sometime from the HRs also, but we don't take money or any kind of charges, fees from the candidates or from the companies. This is a free of cost service, and do not pay any revenue money to the mediators or consultants. Please apply and send your CVs to the given information, and companies will contact you. Wish you good luck. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.